The last thing I want to talk about is the copy data. Now, what is Valigara about? Valigara is just about automation. Everything that we do in Valigara can be done in manually, right? So to avoid the situation when you have to do things manually, or with Excel, for example, we do a lot of automation to work with that. For this, we have a very useful tool, which is called copy data. So imagine we want to create some information inside the product, to add some information inside the product, or in the gemstone. We have the same, right? The copy data. So let's say we have 20 products and we want to add some field, some value to it. For example, we want to say to all of the band style. So I want to type some band style in all these products, and it's a solitaire, white. White. We go to copy data, we select the relevant products, system actions, copy data, and after done, we just say, okay, I want to enter some information into all this product. The alert will be 2. All this instead of Excel. It's very important. You don't have to export. The default is white gold, and it's available with rose and yellow. Now I want to add some information about what do we have here? Ring size, and ring size is 6. Now I want to add some information about whatever we have. I think you already understand the idea that we have the starter item. I don't know, is it a starter item or not? Yes, it's a starter item. And in this way, we can add some information to the selected products. To the selected products or to the selected gemstones. It's about the same. If I want to set the cut to all of the gemstones that I have selected to excellent, so I just put excellent and I click on start. It says the excellent cut to all the gemstones. Now there are 3 types of copy data. One is when we just set new values for the products. Another one is when we take some source product between fields. For example, we take the same 20 items and we say, look, I want to take the information in the quantity alert, default alert, and I want to copy it to quantity alert, FBA alert. I want to copy information from, for example, eBay, for example, metal 1 purity. I want to copy it to metal 2 purity. I want to copy information from, and as you see, it shows you only the relevant fields in relevant type of field. For example, I want to copy the gemstone 1 amount to gemstone 2 amount. There is endless use of this. The idea here on this type, when we don't set a new field, new values, we copy between fields in the same product from one field to another field. So this is the second option. And the third option, when we copy information from one product to another. So here the difference, as you can see, you have to select from what product to copy the information. So you take the source. For example, you create just one product and you enter all the relevant information. And you say, look, I want to copy from this product to all these products. I want to copy the following fields. For example, I want to copy exactly as we did, right? I want to copy all the country, and I want to copy the city. I want to copy the values of metals. I want to copy the value of, and so on and so on and so on. So this is something that should save you 90% of export to Excel, import to Excel, and it's really very useful. Now the override option says, look, if I have a product, if I have the destination product, if the value is empty now, if nothing is set, for example, in the basic city, in the city value, then it will copy. But if there is no override option, if something is already defined in the city field, then it will keep it as is. Now override says, look, I don't care. Take whatever I take and override the existing values. This option of override exists in all three options, in the between fields, in the between products, and the set new. So this, for working with the information, the copy data is a very, very important and useful tool, and is something very, very basic to use. Just saves a lot of time.